So you don't have a jointer, here's another way. You can use a melamine, you can use plywood, whatever the case is, doesn't matter. You cut it a certain length, about a 90 to 100 mils, and what you do is just from there on you trim off just the blade width from that where the fence is. So that piece of material that you got, you're just going to take off a little piece of it from the blade, and as you can see, I just adjust my fence so I can just get the right materials taken off. I run this through literally almost right to the end, but not completely, because you want that last little end of the material still to be part of your machine. Always wait until your machine has stopped completely before taking out the material. What you do then is you flip the piece around so that that edge that you just cut off is on the far side of your blade, and that gives you the ability so you can actually, when you cut it, the piece off from your other material, that you still got an edge that it runs on. So I'm just clamping that on with a clamp so it doesn't move away, and yeah, so that's basically how easy it is just to make a jointer without having a jointer table from something else. So this is an easy step, and just run that blade through, the material through the blade, and as you can see, it cuts away just the blade width, and then it runs onto that other piece of fence that you just created. So yeah, that's how you join two planks, and you can have a flush piece that actually you don't see any gaps. That's beautiful. That's just what I want for this piece of material. So just for the last little bit, I'm just showing you guys the glue up process that I just did on those planks that I just edged on the side, and it's showing beautifully. Once it's glued up, it's lining up perfectly. There's no gaps, what you don't want with your material, and then once you're done, everything will line up perfectly and beautifully. If this was helpful in any way, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.